I just feel like I'm channeling something.
All right, Liam. It's okay. Come on, Liam. Get on there.
No love, no feelings. I'll choke on the air.
These guys, they already won, didn't they?
I'm done. I'm healing. Ain't nobody stopping the bleeding.
Get the gun off safe, Liam. How many they got? 3 or 4? Go. Cover.
My scars keep screaming. I live through the pain for a reason. My God, my anger, it drives me down like an anchor. I'm deaf with demons on both sides. Can't think, no angel left inside. Can't kill the static in my mind, and I can't hide. This rage, I just can't escape. Screaming at my face so loud I can't hear my voice.
One left.
Breaking through my mistakes, free fall into grace. I'm not insane. It's time to kill the noise. Shut
She didn't call it. That's all 3, right?